Mababo. Na 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 ne you na na no na ni na ni na ne ne kum ne na ni na 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 ne Sunmunan Naphila Mababuza nginjami nangivele ngihleke. Leyo ngoma is stuck in my head. Ne na 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 no ne. Oh. I don't even know what it says, but it's accept ngam ngi-accept ini ne na no ni. Hey guys, how you guys doing? I'm so bored. Can't give me imali. Can't give 100 rand each. No can give 100 rand nje. 100 rand kuphela. 1. Awa, by the time sifika kubantu abakule live le aba 160 ngizobe no 100 rand aba 160. Yini manje labo line abani? Angibathandi. Oh, soyihambile. Can ngipho 100 rand. Hayibo ini. Kodwa mama muhle ngiyabonga. You're so beautiful. Thank you. Hi again. Hi. Can ngipho 100 rand. Mosana ukuloning bribe and you're so beautiful. Ngifuna 100 rand. Sorry guys, I lost my specs. When did I lose them? I lost my specs on Saturday. I think in Moloko. Angas. But manje mangilamele nginbuye kanje cause anginiboni. I want contact lenses now. Kodwa now ngiyazi ukuthi ngizowalahla cause I'm so clumsy. Can you please smile? Hey beautiful, hi. Hey gorgeous, hey. Baby, you look you look Gabong, I guess. I don't know what that means. Guys, lengo malezi. Na no. No. Ah, it's so cool. Yeah, it is so cool. Like, that song is literally stuck in my head. It's my favorite song. I don't want to lie. Snow White, no, that's not my name. My name is Entle. Unaindot personal lombos. Ginayo. Na. Yes, mababuza nginjami nangivele ngihleke. Ay. Yawaban. Na do. Nene. Ooh, that's ngahlala ikhala every day. Like, on my headphones, that's the only song I listen to. I'm sure people think this girl, yep, I'm so bored. I'll say much sis ngiyabonga. Cela sijole angeke ngikwazi. I'll say much ngiyabonga. Can you please allow me to request? It's something within my settings. I changed a long time ago. So angazi why my requesting pop up la. You're so cute. Thank you, Ugopi. I'm at home. In my home. I'm in my home. Uthanda yimi. Angiyakuthanda ungahambi uthanda abantu ungabe ubomthanda ubuthu akujikele angazi maye kwenzenjani ngoba kuthandana nawe uzizwa kanjani sebonakele uzizwa kanjani mina sengilimele I literally have no life without that my boyfriend is gone somewhere. I don't know where he's going now. I don't know what to do with myself. Like I don't know, I'm so bored. Awungiqoma phela angeke ngikwazi ufuna kufaka isithembu faka ipolygamy mina ke nqinike ngadlala. What's the name of that song you were singing before? Angazi mabebuza I think. Yeah, John. I sent you a message but no answer. I don't check TikTok DMs. I know what's in ngiyayiphakamisa mfethu. Like I know what's in ngiyayiphakamisa shame. I'm checking jangas ever since I started making TikToks and I had a TikTok account. I've never checked. I check Instagram DMs though. Go follow my Instagram. I'm follow your Instagram. I'm saying Bonnie, guys. Like singing Bonnie and Leon, but okay, it's a story for another day. You are one of a kind. Thank you. I'll say more. Thank you. Do you wear sunglasses when you're in the sun? No. I love you. I like you. Hello, hi Leander Black. How are you? Uzothi ngiyakuziba kodwa ngikuphendula la. Angikuzibi ndawo. Mina ngicela ukusend message ngiyazi. Hey, akusimini wena actually, and it was like T. So where did you install, baby? Somewhere in CBD. OMG, this angel just hurt my eye. Oh, thank you. You're so sweet. You're so sweet. Personally ini. Guys, anginiboni ngilahla ama specs manje mangikhuluma kumele nginibuke la. Yo, impilo yami inzima shame. You look like a doll, ngiyabonga. Baby, hey, hi. Hi Nalenhle, hi Uyanda. Umuhle sithandwayo ngiyabonga. Can I be your friend? Ngitshela mina abanganingi nabo. From like PTA. Bernard Abrams, that's my sister. That's my best, like absolute my top dog. Then it's Innocence. It's my heart. She has my heart. That is my baby. And then it's Tuli. Oh, Tuli, my friend. Cause yeah, my friend. That's my friend. Oh, shame. I love that girl. She's so sweet. She's just so adorable. I love that girl, shame. And then those are my friends in PTA. The black book said screenshots. Those are my friends in PTA. Then, like in Durban, I have Snowy, I have Nicole, I have Leander Blakey, I have my buddy. I don't even mention my buddy because he's like not even my friend. So I have like, no, he is my friend. He's more than my friend. You look like your younger sister. I don't know who's my younger sister. Yeah, so nje nginabantu abaningi baningi abangani bami. Uzomuhle sithanda, you just gained a follower. Ngiyabonga. Oh, your boyfriend is so lucky. Akakuboni nalokho. Unenhliziyo enhle. Awufani no. Angifani no ba. Guys, awavela ama request musanungithethisa. Oh, okay, khona evelile but ngayidecline because angikwazi ukukhipha umuntu kwi live. That's another thing why ngisaba ukuni accept. Nizoqala ningenzela imhlola la. Ngihlule ukunikhipha. Mase ngenze njani? Mabembuza nginjani? Hello gorgeous, hi. Hi Baba, you're so beautiful. Thank you, my love. You're gorgeous, thank you. What does your name mean? I don't know. You're gorgeous. Thank you. I love you. Kia urada. Kia bua. Nna kia bua. Angikulumi kia bua. Yazi ngishalela in. Musana ukuziba indaba yo 100 rand. Xa ningifakele 100 rand. How? Hayibo, yini ngincishana? Ame ngincishana yini? Ngifuna 100 rand. Yabo njengoba niba 464 la kwi live. Nonke nangifakele 100 rand, imagine nje support. Plug with skincare routine for albinos. I don't have skincare routine for albinos. I just use what works on my skin, and what would work on my skin could probably not work on your skin, depending on what problem you have. So I don't have anything specific for people living with albinism. Maybe you can go to like a dermatologist or something, and they can recommend something for people living with albinism. Angazi mina ngisebenzisa into esebenzisa ubuso bami or and it took me a long ass fucking time to find. I'm so sorry for swearing. It took me a long time to find things that will work for my specific skin and skin type and what I'm dealing with. And I feel like with my skin, I'm not where I wanna be, but I'm getting there. So it took me years. I was dealing with acne for years. Like, and when I'm talking about acne, I'm talking about bad acne. People who went to school with me will tell you, there would be one thing for on a random Monday on my cheeks, food. So I think it's hormonal. I'm not sure. It used to be, but not like big, but many. And I didn't know what to do. I don't know if my hormones were not balanced. I don't know what was going on. Shame. I don't know. But yeah, so is that Glueless, or it's a 5x5, so it could be Glueless, but I installed it. What is the color of your eyes? Angaz Shem. I think it's something in or yellow pagat. Lace wear. IG handle. Nadine Slim Keys. It's the same as my TikTok. Hello, Dolly. How are you? I think I missed some comments at the top. Gag. Which sunscreen? Nivea. Mababu sanganja minang vele ngihleke kum da do can keep 100 rand musana ungiziba sorry. Am I crashing? I'm crashing out. Did you catch your hair? Nope. Which hair? My original hair? No. But I will. Nizongthanda mase ngikundile like chiscop. Nizongthanda. Noma ngizoyeka ukungithanda. Aningitshele nje. Imagine me with the chiscop. Ngizoba njani? Ngizoba muhle. Ngizobaba. Ngizoyigunda. Angidaba ukuthi ngicabangani ngami. Ungawi. Izoba le close. I think I want a baby. Hey, I love you. Kia urada. Funda comment yami bandla. Ibithina ngiyibonanga ngicongphindela. Angiboni. You go 100 rand. Indaba you go 100 rand. Yes, nina nifuni nabo. Where did you do your eyebrows and how much? I did them at Dear Brow Baby here in Pretoria, Hatfield. I don't know the address, but inside Mole Piercings. And they were 150. I think. I don't know. Where did you get your wig? Somewhere in Central, Baba. I don't know where, but in Central. Hi, Bees. Oh. Hi, baby. Hi. Ishfondini muhle ngathi ngiyini angisakwazi ukufunda leyo kunjalo manje Ah! Oh. Ow. Okay. Kanti ayingeke ngisazi-ke mfana. Ngiyalikhipha. Yabona-ke inkinga yokuba namalash. Aw, okay. Senze njani-ke mase kunje? Much better. Sengilungisile, sorry. You look like a doll. Thank you. Puts it on top of another one. That is so real. But manje angikwazi leli lingaphansi, angithi it's stacked. Lingaphansi. Umuhle. Thank you. It's the owl for me. Askisi mfethu. Ayibo. Oh, lingazi lingenzani. It's on for angazi. Mane ngalishuthe somewhere. Where are you studying? UP. Mfunde UP. Cha ngipho 100 rand. Sanibona igama lami nalo enhle Mkhize ngina 20 ngifunde UP ngenza first year. Cha ngipho 100 rand. Semhle ngiyabonga. Ngipho 100 rand. Alibhinela ihla nje. Asikhulumi kanjalo la. Asikhulumi nje kanjalo. Igama lami enhle. Mawuhlule ukungibiza ungayicomment leyo nto. But asikhulumi nje kanjalo la, ne? Mabengbo, oh, khona ama comments hidden othi unhide mase ngawafunda wonke. Mase ngibona ukuthi indaba benihide. Maningi kanje. Na. Thank you for the gifts. Cha ngipha ama coin ke because anifuna ngipha 100 rand. Uyaluma mehlami. Guys, uyabona ke leli linginika inkinga ngempela ngazi wenzalani. Kanti yini ngempela? Yini kwi-live enabantu abangaka lizongibukisa nabantu. Hayi. Khipha libhlungu angikwazi ulidonsa kunzima kuba nama-lash. No, I can't live without lashes, man. Your accounts ish angiyazi ngekhanda. Yabona-ke zonika inamba engingafakela yona. Do you take after what? Do you take them after some time? Whenever you like. I take them out. I put my on. Once I refill. If I don't refill, then I take them out and get a new set. Nakhumbula 2016 sasiphoza kanje. Sizama ukuzenza ifaca. Singanayo ngangifuna ifaca. But omncane unefaca. Ngane malume wami. Ngifuna ifaca. Ngiyiforsa ngize ngifake ipencil. What are you studying at UP? Angeke ngikwazi umtshela kwamanje. Tshela nginika. As it's weird that you can speak isiZulu. No, Mama, you're so beautiful. Imag. It's so weird that I can speak isiZulu because ngimudla. So abantu abakhuluma isiZulu abekho bahle. awungichazelele ima before ngi-interprete ngendlela yami le comment yakho. Cela ungichazela kahle. Cela ungichazela kahle. Unjani? Ngiyaphila. Cha umuhle ngiyabonga. Makachaza, akachaze. Waziwa muhle. Cha uyadelela. No, mina ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi uchaza ukuthini. Skincare routine kanye. What are you studying at UP? Angeke ngikutshele angeke ngikwazi ukutshela manje. Tshela mase ngithi final year yami. Cela isibongo mina. My surname is Mkhize. Where did you install your hair? Somewhere in Central. How do you find PTA? I like it. Musana distractor. Ngifuna lo othe mina ngimuhle akufani angazi utheni but angazi something in isiZulu. What did you use on your acne? Show me. Lash AIDS. I know they AIDS. A shame they AIDS. Dear brown baby always eats my lashes. Oh, book. Gisalungom. I'll keep her, fan. Look, ngilkhiphile. Yeah. Bese lingibukisa nabantu. Ngilkhiphile hayi. Bese lingixaka. Help me with the application. What do you need help with? Talk to me. Tell me what's on your mind. Muhle khabazela ngiyabonga. Bathong ngilikhipile liyangixaka lokho elifuna ukuvela lodwa la. Lilibona sikwi live. Manje selifuna ukustand out your skin. Ngiyabonga mama. You're fully Zulu yebo anginatswana anginaxhosa egazini nje ngumZulu phaqa. Yabo kuthiwa ngiyakwazi ukushitha izelo zami ngisheshe. Wena Mkhize khabazela ngishayela zonke ngize ngikufinele. I'm so sorry. I've got too much energy now. You look like a doll. Thank you. Kialebuga. Where are you going to, Pablo? Where am I going to, Pablo? Angas. Aibo, man, give Pablo dinner, man. Uzongkhokelela ngiput ice drop here. Untsana nami 6 ice drop here. Untsana 6 ice drop here nehappy. Wena. Ngihamba nawe ngiyadlala. I miss my man. Ngiyadlala ngihamba nawe, but untsana 6 ice drop here. Good day. Awuphinde uye phela mama. Ngiyephi? Ngiye Pablo. Do you know how to speak Pretoria by now? Nope. Pretorian. Yes, Pitori. Angikwazi Angikwazi nje, angikwazi nakancane. Asam siyo jive. Kephi. Mina angifuni ukuspenda imali yami groove. Ngizokuyoja awulelesh shame. Kuyabonakala yini khona igap kumalash yami? Cha ngitshela. Ngizophatheka kabi manithi yes. Namusana ngithayiphela ngeSpitori ngikwazi ukusifunda. 316. Hayi nina seniqalile ke ngifuna imikhuba. Abe nina imikhuba nina. That's okay. Ngoba ngicelile. So enough. Senibone enough. Beautiful ngiyabonga. Nope in. Is that a real wig? Is that real hair? It's my real hair. Do you still play Gobo Aibu? Nina guys maneningbuzi in the past. Ngaze ngayidlala nakahle leyo sport. Babehlezi bengijaja labo mama. Kuthiwa mina ngisoft. Akumele ngidlale sport. Angindaba. Angidlali. Angifuni. Siyangicika. Okay, yeah, guys, bengisanitshela ukuthi ngifuna 100 rand. Yabo manje seniba 1100. Noba 1100 mangase ngipho 100 rand. Nina. Ngingashada nani? Ngingashada nani? I love her. Ngiyakuthanda. I have 20 rand. Oh. Okay, it's fine. Ngizothatha kulethi. Ulethi. Mabengibuza nginjani mina ngivele ngihleke. Hayibo wamuhle, let me follow. Ngiyabonga sithando sami. Siyasifanela. Ya nje angingeni ndawo leso sport. Oh, wamuhle sisiyo. Hiyo. Ngiyabonga. We can officially put ama 5 rand. Oh, we can offer, sorry. We can offer to put ama 5 rand. 5 rand nje. Ngifuni 5 rand. Have you asked Shaka Ilemcha? Nifuna act. Do you guys think I would be a good actress? Like, man cabanga mani ngibuka nje ngibona umuntu ongaba a good actress. Inole zami les guys. Mani ngayidaya la phezulu. Yokwenza noma mangikeep yabo mangiqedile ngale hairstyle engikamile namhlanje. Ngifuna ukwenza noma ilong. Scale. Scale. Mfuna noma scale. Uyathola kuyashada ngoDecember. What do you use on your skin? Ganya. You're so beautiful. Thank you. Where are you from? I am from KwaZulu Natal. I'm from KwaZulu Natal. We are Jalam Fits. Oh, guys, Nina. You look like a doll. You look. Angazilini leli yagama elikhulu ngibhalele lona but ngiyabonga. Wamuhle ngiyabonga. We in KZN eDubai. Boys Cock at Durban, Eastern Cape. Iyakufuna ngapha nkosazana. Ngifuna uba Eastern Cape. Ufuna ndizothetha kanti mina andithethi ndiyakhuluma. Andithethi nje. Hayibo. Konzalani manje? Andithethi ndiyakhuluma. Nina la apha Eastern Cape nifuna ndizothetha. Ukuba mina andithethi. Andikwazi ukuthetha andiniva menithetha. Ndiyakhuluma. Andibuyi. Andithethi ndiyakhuluma. You look good. Thank you. Thank you. Where's my man? 100 rand. Ever considered modeling? Ish. Oh, manje inkinga ngilo. Yabonke namathanga mabele ngalo zinkulu. Ngisidudla nje mhlambe ngeba ngithanda. Ngebafuna ukuthi ngize ngizodlala nabo. So look, I went for short nails this time around. Niyakholwa mina lo. Hayi, akangilobole. Ngilobola nini phakathi wayo. You look cute. Thank you. Thank you. Just followed you. Ngiyabonga ngiyabonga Zani. Uzani. Zana. Ngiyabonga Muhle ngiyabonga. Your eye color hazel. Ubalo. Do some addiction. What does that mean, manje? Chaza ukuthini? Uchazeni ngempela? Chazeni. Me, I'm Swati. I get Sibi. You're so beautiful. Thank you. Guys, okay, let's do a Q&A. For the next 5 minutes, ningbuza into enanhlezi ngifisa ukwazi ngami. Ningangibuza what your skincare, what are you studying? Kade ngangiphendula leyo mbuzo. Skincare ngisebenzisa iganye kuphela. Studying angeke ngintshele ngize ngifike in my last year. Ngibuze nenye into ke, ningangibuzi lezo zinto. Wig plug, I got it somewhere in Central town. Angazi nami ongiyaxolisa. Are you married? No. You're so beautiful. Thank you. We are Jola Nam. Ungajola Nam Angwas. You look cute in the dark color, Ngiyabong. Your skin is so clear and gorgeous. Thank you. Musung buza ngenye language ang understand nje. Where's your man? I don't know. Hambil. I need to check his location. Do you have a car? No. Ima. Do you have a car? No. Can you sing? No. I cannot. Dating or taken? I'm taken. Where are you now? I'm in my res. Just rate me quick and answer. Angaz, not because of your Angaz, no, I wouldn't. Where do you do your eyelashes? At Dear Brow Baby. Do you have siblings? No. You're so beautiful, thank you. Where are you staying? In Pretoria? House tour. Oh, this is my res. Next year, apartment. What is the name of your installation? Angazi. It's a basic. Guys, anbuze interesting. Nina ning interesting nje. Iyabhora le mbuzo. How? Unayo yini ingane? Cha, anginayo. Umuhle, ngiyabonga. Xa ningibuza izinto interesting, azikho interesting lezi zinto ningibuza zona. I think I should call 911 because I have never seen such abuse. Ngiyabonga. Punchline. Where are you from, Mommy? Durban. Are you married? No. Ufuna imbuze health. No. Who gave you that name? Laceway ngampela. Was a pongo. Ngizokwenzani? Do you miss why ufuna ngize lapha? Do you miss high school? Nope. Unanga come 20. How's uni? Uni is stressful. How much money do you make on TikTok? I don't make money on TikTok. What did you do this year that made you proud of yourself? Angaz, I'm just freelancing. Actually, that's such a good question. Yabonat, masaning mbuze healthy. Ang naim impendo. I'm such a lame girl. I don't know. I can't think of something at the top of my head. I'm probably gonna get a learners by the end of the year. Then I'll be proud of myself. Institution of Fundagoi, UP. What is your favorite color? And what do you like to do best? My favorite color is pink. I like going out on dates. Can you be more specific with the garnier you use? Charcoal range. What makes you happy, my man? What is the last dream you had? Hope this is interesting. The last dream I had, the last dream I had was now. I had a dream right now when I took a nap, and I dreamt of meeting Mahu. And we hugged and we took pictures. Oh, I was so happy in that dream. That was that was so interesting. Thank you for asking me that. Banging in Kokal. Yeah, so Nje, I dreamt of meeting Mahu. You're beautiful. It's so weird that you can speak Zulu. Okay, so you're 20 years, yes I am. How what do you do for a living? I go to school in Fed, so I'm not interesting. Mahu, that's so cute. I'm telling you. What's in Bengi, Tela, Ungi, Alele Nami. Giyazi Sibaningi. Skale Lagu. Yeah. Bengi, Tela, Ungi. Yabo, Guyena, Unguma. Sam Flemos, Gabonga. Bye. Which food you hate to eat? Seafood. Ngifuni seafood. Once an anti-mal, I bo. Ngeke uzongikidnap mina. Ngemali. Doing business. He's still in uni. Ish. Dress plug. Mr. Price. Lambile mfana. Angazi ngishayela ukudlani. You made me cry. What made you cry? Of which you regret till today? I regret being friends with this one girl. Ngiyazisola ukuthi ngangenzani. Yo! Nkulunkulu. Ngaze ngayisola. Ngize ngayisola. Did you ever have acne? Yes. Smells like Gabon. What's your goal? You look beautiful, sis. My goal is to get married to a rich husband. My goal is to one day officially become a professional persecutor and have my own law firm and drive a BMW G63 2020 something model. Angazi njengoba se discontinuing and have a house and an estate and another house and live in Cape Town. Oh, live in Cape Town. I went to Cape Town this September. Oh. Hey, angiyeke ngiyanwabona ama dreams ami. Ngiyanwabona ivision. Ngiyanibona ivision yami. You're a funny person. Ngiyabonga. Eyelash plug, baby. Dear brown baby. What's your biggest fear? Heights. And losing my mom. Those are my two biggest fears. BMW G63. Yes. I bo. Let's pretend like we didn't hear that one, ne? As pretending as I say so. Yes. Yo, I'm so embarrassing. Shame. I'm so embarrassing. How did you treat your acne? With Garnier. What do you apply on your face after installation? Nothing. They are not discontinued. Okay, a Mercedes Benz. Yes, a Benz. Sorry, guys, I get police. Yaxolisa guys. Planning lobolaki. Ngiyadlala ngiloboliwe mina. Sengikhathele ukukhuluma, kade ngikhuluma. Ngiyanithanda ngenhliziyo yami yonke, kodwa inhliziyo yami ingaka. Incane, kodwa ngiyanithanda. Ne? Mabengibuza nginjani, mina ngivele ngihleke. Hawu kwenza manje. Webawa usuzingi ene. Okay guys, ngiyahamba. I'm going to buy a very berry crusher from KFC, and I'm going to buy, I don't know what I'm gonna eat today, but ngihlalele very berry, ngihlalele ice cream. Got the very berry, no ice cream. Just a very berry crusher from KFC, and then sit and get up because my man is gone, and feel sad and then think about my man. I think he's gonna come back. Gonna come back next week. Oh, sure, like. So yeah, ngiyanithanda. Siyathanda nami? Nami niyangithanda? Nabazi abantu benza amavidiyo kanje? Mase nithi nina. Oh, you're so cute. Wenzani? Anyways, yes, siyakuthanda. Okay, bye bye guys. Asicabuzane. Bye.